Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धो दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कान्त राधाकान्त नमोऽस्तुते। जय जय श्री राधे। Hare Krishna. Welcome all of you dear devotees, dear Vaishnavas. Today is very auspicious day, Akshaya Tritiya and Chandan Yatra Mahotsav. So today we will discuss about this auspicious day, Akshaya Tritiya. What is Akshaya Tritiya? Akshaya means something that is eternal, that will never end. That is called Akshaya. So on this day, if we make any bhajan, sadhana, charity, puja, anything that we do, it will be remain eternal. On this day, the Satyuga started. On this day, Ganga Maharani appeared in this world. On this day, Lord Parashuram appeared. So, this day is very auspicious. So, I will request all of you, please make more and more bhajan, sadhana, charity, sadhu seva, Vaishnav seva, Brajavasi seva, cow seva, offer beautiful prasadam for Thakurji on this day, because this day your all efforts, everything that you do for Thakurji, it will remain eternal. Even any day if you do anything for the Thakurji, that remain always eternal, but this day is very special. So we will discuss now about the Chandan Yatra. What is this Chandan Yatra? uh, Madhavendra Puri Pad, Sriman Mahaprabhu's Param Gurudev, Dada Guru, he was sitting at Govardhan Hill, a beautiful deity of Srinathji. He were doing the seva of Srinathji. One day, Srinathji told him, "Oh Madhavendra Puripad, I am feeling very hot. I need some. I need some cold, because since many years I am living in the hill of Giriraj. I am feeling so much hot. Please bring some chandan for me from the Jagannath Puri and offer me." Madhavendra Puri was telling, "Oh Prabhu, you have eaten fire, you have drunk fire in your Leela, and now you are telling that you are feeling hot." Because Thakurji, Srinathji wants the seva from Madhavendra Puripad. Madhavendra Puripad has went for the Jagannath Puri to collect the chandan for Srinathji, for Gopal. So on the way to Jagannath Puri, they reached the Gopinath temple near the Remuna in the Baleshwar district. There is a Gopinath temple. He entered in the Gopinath temple. He bowed down unto the lotus feet of Gopinath. A beautiful prasadam of kheera the pujari was offering for the Gopinathji. But he did not ask for the prasadam. But in his mind, he was thinking that some of the prasad, if we could get this kheer prasad, I will be very happy. But due to some incident, he could not get that prasad. But he was strongly deserved his will what that we should get, that I should get this prasad. The pujariji has gone to the home after Vishram of the Thakurji. Madhavendra Puri Pad out of the temple under the one of the tree. He was making kirtan, chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So what happened? A dream appeared to the pujari, a beautiful dream of Gopinathji. Gopinathji told, one of my devotee Madhavendra Puri Pad has come in the temple, and you could not give them prasad of the kheer. Please give them prasad. He is my very loving devotee. He is coming from Govardhan. Oh Pujariji, please give him prasadam. But Pujariji told, I have already distributed all over the prasadam to the devotees. There is nothing left. So Gopinathji told, there is one kuliya, one bowl of kheer prasadam I have stolen already. You come, hurry up, and give them this prasadam. So Pujariji come in the temple and they see unto the lotus feet of Gopinathji there is one of the kuliya of kheer prasadam. So they took this prasadam and give to the Madhavendra Puri Pal. Madhavendra Puri was become very happy. Oh my, oh Gopinathji, you are so merciful. This is the this is the true love with the Krishna and devotee. Aham Bhakta Paradhina. I am the subordinate of my devotees. So Madhavendra Puripad was very happy. Oh Gopinathji, you are very merciful. After that, Madhavendra Puripad has gone for the Jagannath Puri and they collect the Chandan, Kapoor for the Thakurji. On the way, when he was coming to the Govardhan, Srinathji gave the dream for the Madhavendra Puripad. And he told, oh Madhavendra Puripad, you no need to come Govardhan. You offer this Chandan for the Gopinathji. And this Chandan, when you offer for the Gopinathji, this Chandan go all over the world. Where there is my temple, all the deity, all Thakurji will be feel cold. So Madhavendra Puripad with the pujaris, they offer Chandan for the Gopinathji and they become very happy. Since that day, the name of this Gopinath temple name is Kheer Chora Gopinath. Because Gopinathji stolen the bowl of the kheer for his devotee. That's why the name of this temple is Kheer Chora Gopinath. This is the temple near the Jagannath Puri, Baleshwar, Remuna. The temple is situated already. So since that day, this Chandan Yatra festival is started. All over Brajamandal, all over Dwarika, all over Jagannath Puri. This day, this Chandan offered for the deities. Here in Brajamandal, all the temples, Radharaman, Baki Bihari, Gopinathji, Madan Mohan, all temples, they offer Chandan for the Thakurji. So I pray Sri Radharani, Sri Gopalji, Gopinathji, all of you devotee live happy, peaceful, blissful, and do more and more bhajan and sadhana charity on this day. This will become eternal of your life. Many, many love and blessings. Hare Krishna.